Session 21. Ugh family. The surprise under the rug. Once upon a time, my favorite mug took a fall. Down it went, rolling through the hall. But lucky for me, the rug was there to catch. Soft and cozy, like a cozy patch. I gave a little tug, tug, tug. And oh my, I found something snug. Under the rug, there was a surprise. Little creatures hiding, right before my eyes. There were tiny bugs, crawling all around, making funny noises, like a buzzing sound. And slimy slugs, with their wiggly trails, leaving shiny tracks, like tiny snails. But that's not all, there was more to see. Hidden beneath the rug, just for me. Right there, nestled in a secret space. My mug appeared, with a smiling face. I was so happy, what a wonderful sight. My mug was safe, snug and tight. Thanks to the cozy rug on the floor. My favorite mug was protected, that's for sure. And that's the tale of the surprise under the rug. A happy ending for my favorite mug. Now answer these questions. You can answer these questions in the comment box below. Question 1. What fell on the rug? Question 2. Where were the bugs? Question 3. What else was under the rug? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share World Pointer.